Yeah, it looks decent outside right now. This is a view from 72nd and Crown Point. Lots of good color in the sky. Perfect clouds for a beautiful sunrise as well. 27 degrees at the airport, but it feels like 16. Those feels like temperatures in the teens early this morning. Few clouds from time to time today, but more sun than clouds. It's not really going to warm us up a ton. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s by noon. Lighter winds through the second half of the day, so wind chills aren't an issue, but it's certainly going to be cold enough. Temperatures topping out in the upper 30s and low 40s today. A good 15 degrees below average. A few clouds off to our south this evening. Temperatures in the upper 20s to near 30 by 10 o'clock. And now we're tracking snow as we head into Thursday. No issues during tomorrow morning's drive. No issues through the middle of the day in Omaha, but you see the snow coming in the afternoon. I really think after about 4 o'clock, we'll start to see the scattered snow showers in the Omaha metro, and it continues through the evening drive and through most of the evening. As far as snowfall totals go, we're not going to get a ton, but we will likely see snowflakes when you're coming home from work tomorrow. Less than an inch here in the metro, maybe a dusting north toward Norfolk, Denison, and Carroll, but south of Lincoln, south of Nebraska City, that's where we could see 1 to 2 inches of snow, and that's where the National Weather Service has a winter weather advisory tomorrow. So this is where roads will probably be a little slicker tomorrow afternoon and evening. The rest of the 7-day forecast, cold. 36 with the snow tomorrow, 32 and falling temperatures on Friday. Friday afternoon, we're going to have wind chills in the teens and single digits. Cold on Saturday, and then another even colder push of air coming up next week.